Welcome everyone. In this video, I would like to show you how to upload a picture to Canvas. You can see that I'm working in the Rich Content Editor, and any place you can access the Rich Content Editor, you have the ability to quickly and easily upload a picture. Here is the picture icon. I can select the drop down and then I can choose Upload Image. From here, I can drag and drop an image into this square, this rectangle rather, right here, if I'm comfortable doing that. If you're not comfortable doing that, you can simply click on the rocket ship and it will open the File Explorer for you. It will default to the last place you uploaded a picture from, and if you are not sure where to go, on the left side right here are all the various options on your computer of places that pictures may be stored. So, for example, let's say that you recently downloaded a picture, it's going to be in the downloads folder. And from there, you can scroll through and you can locate the picture that you would like to upload. So, let's say that I have a Meet the Teacher page and I have a graphic that I want to upload. I can choose this basic graphic right here and I can select Open and then I can select Submit. And now that picture will be placed in my Canvas course. Once it is placed there, I can left click on that and I can resize the picture as needed if I would like to. But adding a picture is as simple as that. And when you're done, make sure that you click save in the bottom right hand corner, and you will see what that looks like when the picture has been saved. If you have any questions about that process, please let me know.